G'day guys, BJ from Edencraft Boats. Going to give you a really quick rundown of the latest 233 formula to leave the factory. Black colour, as you can see, awesome, real impressive. White wavebreaker, 5 windows, old school, real cool look. Easy tow trailer, 4 tonne, rotational spare, boat catch, all the good bits as usual. Come down the back guys, we'll have a look at the back. Hey guys, down the back here of Bobby's new 233 formula. As you can see, transom mount, we've got the 2 big V6 Mercuries, 225 V6 with a power steer option. Just absolutely awesome, fuel burn, performance, just great. We've got about 85 k's an hour out of this boat, so awesome performance. We'll head around the other side now guys, come in. All right guys, down the back of Bobby's boat, we've got the nice big bait board here, Edencraft bait board, couple of cup holders. We've got the light bait tank all plumbed up, ready to go with lighting, all the rule pumps as per usual, optimum blue tops. We've also got the game base with the leading post, really cool, game boat, awesome stuff. I've also got the speckled floor as well. What we'll do, we'll head up the front now and have a look what's going on in the front. Hey guys, up at the helm here in Bobby's boat, running the Simrad stuff. Super popular, 16 inch, 12 inch, 2 transducers, high and low, along with the Fusion RA 770 and the RS Simrad VHF as well. So awesome combo, integrates beautifully, best of view of the whole lot, beautiful stuff. We'll head down the cabin now guys and have a look. Hey guys, so we're in the inside Bobby's cabin here. So as you can see, beautiful bit of wiring the boys have done. Absolutely awesome work as per usual. Got a couple of lights up there. Got the bunk cushions, along with the pie oven, Travel Buddy pie oven. We've got the RS20 Simrad in there as well as a Fusion RA 770. So as you can tell, speckled look, awesome. Just a really nice cabin, just really nice layout. The wiring's beautiful, love it. All right guys, as you can tell, another awesome boat by the team, another formula at the door, just awesome stuff, beautiful boat, very happy. What else can you want in a boat? That's awesome.